Here I have VIVO V23, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button record screen. So by tap on it once you can switch, like you have to agree with terms of use, tap agree. Here you can switch some of its settings, you can display touch marks, you can record sound, you can record microphone sound, system sound, or both. You can change image quality, and you can also enable the not disturb mode automatically while recording. So to start recording, just tap on this button once. Recording starts. You can pause it by tapping on this left button. You can play it again by tapping on it again. When you're done recording, tap on this right button, and after that recording will be saved to albums, the special screen recordings album. Recording starts. You can pause it by tapping on this again by tapping. And from here you can share, edit, delete, compress your recording, and perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.